Assam state went on high alert post the release of water from Bhutan's Kurichhu dam. The flood situation in Assam worsened on Friday. Severe flooding affected 17 districts of Assam, impacting 67,000 people in the state. Water level in major rivers continue to rise, including Brahmaputra flowing above the danger level at several places. The number of people impacted by severe flooding in the state increased to 67,689 as against the previous day 41,000, but no death was reported during the day, and the toll remained at 7 in the current wave of flood according to the bulletin of Assam State Disaster Management. The state was heavily affected due to flood-like situation after the release of water from neighboring country Bhutan. Out of the total 17 districts were hit the most, including Baksa Vishwanath, Bongaigaon Chira, Dhemaji, Dhubri, Dibrugarh, Golaghat, Jorhat, Kokrajhar, Lakhimpur, Majuli, Nagaon, Nalbari, Sibsagar, Tamulpur and Tinsukia. Major rivers of the state that are considered the lifeline of the state turned into a destroyer after they began flowing above the danger mark. Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma on Friday tweeted that the excess water is being carefully redirected through the gates to control flow. But there won't be any major amount of water released with the improvement in the upstream neighboring country. The amount of water released may not be huge. To shelter the relocated flood victims, the district authorities have set up 78 relief camps and distribution centers with 4,531 inmates taking shelter in the camps. Bureau Report, Reporter Agnan News.